Hi everyone, I am Ashish Kumar. I am from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I came Pune to continue my graduation where I did Bachelor of Computer Application from Maharashtra Institute of Technology. So during the graduation, I haven't got any campus placement at all. So one of my friends suggested me about the iTpreneur. It is in GM Road. After some research over ITP, I visited ITP. So they offered me certain courses in which I opted Java full stack development course. It was a 6 duration of course in which I learned a lot from ITP, especially the things in which I was focused is like the front end development course in which I learned HTML, CSS and JavaScript over React. After the completion of the course, I placed in a good organization with the healthy package of 7 NPA. During during the duration of course, the staff was very supportive to me, especially the Yogesh sir, Pranit sir, and the Tejashwini ma'am. They supported me a lot. So yeah, that's all about my experience. Yeah, thank you.